Hey guys, haven't vlogged in a while. I'm just heading off to the post office to pick up a parcel that Kelvin got. And we didn't pick it up because we weren't home at the time. But it's Kelvin's game because he's really excited to play Metal Gear. I really could care less, but I know it makes him happy. So I'll go pick it up so that when he comes home he can play it right away. It's pretty cold today though. It's September 2nd, but it feels pretty cold. Like it doesn't feel like summer at all anymore, so yeah. Oh well, at least you can get all cozy now, right? I was about to block it, but there's some parking fiasco going on over there. I feel like they're fighting for a parking spot. Someone's about to get very angry soon. Oh look, Kelvin's here now. Because I'm trying to surprise him because this finally came for him. Oh, yeah. Look!
Hey.
I thought you would look more excited.
I'm tired. Were you looking? I mean, were you waiting for a long time?
Yes. There you go.
Thank you.
I see you running away there, Kelvin. Anyways, just waiting for Kelvin so we can get out the door, but you know Kelvin takes forever all the time. At least he's dressed. Let's brush his teeth now. We're going to have a Daiso and explore and do a little bit of shopping. And then I have lunch with the parents. Oh, Kelvin is trying to squeeze through. Wah! Kelvin likes his style where it's like a ballerina shawl. Uh-huh. On our walk in Burnaby Lake. Yeah. Whoa. Alright guys, you are only allowed to park here in this spot. You can't do other. Yeah, no parties, no funny business. No basketball. The car does look clean now because Samuel boy did not clean it very much. Actually, some parts of it don't look as clean though. I don't know.
It doesn't dry very well.
Yeah. Gotta say guys, the Vancouver car wash on Terminal, you guys are pretty awesome. This one was meh. Meh, I didn't get everything off it. Meh. Just like tomato pretty much.
Sweetie, can you get me the
Tongs?
say tweezers.
Large tweezers.
Large tweezers.
Times 10.
And one onion.
One whole onion. Okay?
No,
You want to count enough?
The entire thing.
Okay. Thank you.
This is what?
Okay.
All right, sweet.
Thank you.
Here.
Cheers.
And
Thanks, Vince.
one lettuce.
To the never-ending summer.
Yes.
Never ending summer. I wish.
It's so bad.
Our exams are based on minutial details.
Yeah, like
Memorizing minutial details.
And then she told me that they graduate a lot of
Actually, that one is really good.
Yeah.
Korean bone soup.
how is that even?
It's so delicious.
I don't know.
The already apart.
You're the taxpayer, you tell me.
I told her it's totally unethical. Like, so good.
Even for Jonah, the schedule is
Oh, okay,
Where are you going?
You already asked me 1 minute earlier. 2 minutes.
Negotiating. He doesn't even know what 1 or 2 minutes means. He just says it. He doesn't know any.
Just no.
It means more. It means more time. Yeah.
It just means more time. He doesn't know the value of 60 seconds.
Do you want to show us how to skip rope?
What if you break something?
Whoa!
You don't use a dishwasher there?
We do.
Oh, okay.
Over there, yeah.
Are you hand washing everything?
No. Well, these bigger items, yes.
It's so late, okay?
Hi guys, it's Tuesday after Labor Day and I know we haven't really been vlogging much lately. Just nothing really has been going on and it's been sort of off lately too, so. Anyways, I'm just slowly putting together the yearbook for church and it's a nightmare. It's just not fun at all. But it'll be done by the end of the week and I can forget about it at least. But now I'm just gonna go for a walk because I just need some fresh air. Been inside for too long, I think, and I'm just feeling. Oh. Hey guys, happy Saturday. I spent my whole Saturday working and going to meetings. It was so poopy. Kelvin was being awesome though by helping me work on the yearbook thing.
I had fun organizing
My computer?
personal finance stuff.
Color's weird. Okay, we're gonna get Chipotle! 'Cause I've been craving it!
I asked Rosie where she went to go for dinner, and she can go anywhere she wants.
I said I want Mexican. It takes me to the cheapest place, Chipotle.
That's what you wanted. You said you just wanted guacamole. She's like any.
I'm joking. Yay, we finally made it to Chipotle. Kelvin's very excited, as you can see.
I went with steak at the last minute.
Oh, did you?
No, there's ice now.
Oh, look this way. There's still a bit more.
She's so brilliant. Funny song.
Why?
Here it comes.
I don't think I have it anymore. I think it's only the intro, maybe.
No, I don't have this. Never mind.
Dum, 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 dum.
I don't think I saw. Oh, it's in very, very quickly.
Dum, 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 dum. Oh, wait. No, wait till listen to the beginning again. Dum, 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 dum.
Do you want me to help you carbonate your ice
No, 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 no! He doesn't mean carbonate, he means he's gonna blow bubbles into it. No, it's gross! No, 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 no!
Look at this. Who makes these songs? Who writes these songs?